Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete TikTok Now memories or story archive. First, open your TikTok. Once your TikTok is opened, of course, make sure you're logged into your account and then go to your profile. Under your profile, you'll see a lock icon in there. Tap that. Now on this page, we'll see our stories archive or what they call TikTok Now memories. So press on stories archive. Every time you're posting a TikTok story or a Now memory on TikTok, it will be saved in here. Now, for example, this is the video that I want to delete. On the right part, you'll see a 3 dots in there. Press that. And then from here, you'll have 3 options. We'll have an option to delete. There will be a pop-up just making sure you are deleting the right video. And then press delete. And as you can see in here, that video is already deleted. And that's how to delete TikTok Now memories or story archive. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.